Humans are meant to do karmas or actions. Rest of lives in this world are just to suffer the result of karmas. Lord Krishna said, even when you are not doing anything, then also you are doing something, because your mind and senses will never stop working, and so that your intentions and thoughts are also the part of karmas. Anyways, we are involved in our actions all the time. So it's better to do all those actions without any expectations or nishkam bhav. Lord Krishna said, when we have any expectation from anything we are doing, we bound ourselves to those actions, and the results of those actions play an important role in creating happiness or disappointments. In every circumstance, if we perform our duties without any expectations of good or bad results, then we are free from karmas, even while doing them. When we understand that efforts and struggles are the only things in our hands and not the results, then we are ready to accept life with all of its colors of different emotions of pain, pleasure, good, bad, success, failure, and fame and infamy. And this is the real karma dedicated to God. This is the equanimity that Lord Krishna talks about, to treat every situation equally and to stay calm and neutral in all the conditions. Always focus on the big picture. Like waves are the part of the ocean, it will always be there no matter what. Similarly, different circumstances are the part of life. Performing all the duties with the sense of equanimity and struggle to face the challenges of all kinds. Surrender yourself to God and perform actions without any will of result, rather than struggling to eliminate the situations to avoid unhappiness. Yogast Kuru Karmani Sangam Takya Dhananjaya Siddh Asiddhyo Samo Bhutva Samatvam Yoguchyate. Chapter 2, verse 48, Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna said, be steadfast in the performance of your duty, O Arjun, giving up all attachments and stay balanced to success and failures. Such equanimity is called yoga, the union of individual consciousness to the universal consciousness.